What up, YouTube? We're gonna make a C-pan. So we got the cowl done. We're gonna take some cardboard, cut it out to where it fits where we want it, to where we're gonna have our seat. I already got this bottom one cut out, but I'm gonna do this back hoop. Once we get this cardboard cut out, we're gonna transfer this cardboard over to wood. Then we'll take the foam and hook it to the wood. So let's get started. Okay. Line up these edges. I'm gonna try to get this as close as we can. We're gonna have to do some trimming though, for sure. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some trimming. Alright. Let's start off by cutting this. Okay, now we got a rough shape. Now I'm gonna mark how low I want this to go. Okay, this should be about how high I want the seat, or at least the back of the seat. Yeah, that should be good. That black line is where I want the line. This will give me a nice rough shape. There. Okay. Keep it going. Alright, see if this fits. Yeah, it's gonna look good. We're gonna have the foam on here. Okay, put a mark on here. Try to make this even on both sides. Get it nice and lined up. just put lines on it. Now we're gonna have to transfer this cardboard into this perforated wood. Alright, here's a fast way to outline these. This will show us where we gotta cut it. Alright. We'll let that dry and we'll come back. This is what it looks like after I just painted around the cardboard. So now we know where we gotta cut our wood. So I'll cut it and come back, show you what we got. So here we are after we've cut the cardboard into this, like, I don't know what this is, particle board, something, some hard ass wood. I don't know what this is. But we've cut the cardboard into the particle board. That's a perfect thing for us to stick the foam to. Next step, gluing on some foam and shaving it to the perfect shape. Two pieces of foam. That's gonna fit there. That's gonna fit there perfectly. We'll attach those with glue and we'll fit them on the bike and start shaping them. Okay. Put some glue on this thing. And glue on this. And stick it on there. Ooh, it's already getting sticky. That's good. That's a good sign. Right up at the bottom to the edge. Okay. And let that dry. All right, let's hit this. Glue. Sticky. Let's hit this with some glue. Put some glue on this side. And stick it down. Okay. There we go. Let that dry. Now we're just gonna let these dry. We got backing boards. When we wrap the leather over it, after we shave it, you're not gonna be able to see any of this. This is what we're gonna use to put the staples in. So we're getting there. Okay. Got the foam attached to the board. somewhat fitted them here. Gonna have to shape some of this, but what I'm gonna do is lock these boards down. Then I'll be able to shape this foam while it's on the bike to see what the best fit will be. So, next step. Alright, we got the bolts put through the backing. Now I need to mark where to drill the holes. And once we get this mounted up, we can go put it on the bike and shave it. So we got the foam attached. Now we'll take it out, put it on the bike, and a long process of shaping it, because this stuff's not easy to shape, but we're getting there. We're getting there.